Alright, so on this video, I'm gonna do a breakdown for the song Sefapanong Ke Bohang, and this is gonna be for beginners, complete beginners. As you'll notice, I have not, plugged my my chord visualizer, and it's because I'm using EO9, right? So where I am right now, I'm using EO9, and the cables that I have, unfortunately, I don't have the cable that can plug into my PC, so that when I play, you'll be able to see the visuals on the PC. But I'm gonna make sure that I take it slowly when we break this down. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play the song Sefapanong Ke Bohang, and then from there we'll break it down. This is gonna be for beginners, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm super slow. I'm gonna make sure that you don't miss any detail on this breakdown. We're gonna make it as simple as possible. The song is Sefapanong Ke Bohang, right? If I butcher the lyrics, please forgive me. The idea is to show you how you can play the song, and we're gonna be in the key of F sharp, right? Wait, yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 or 8, right? Do, re, mi, fa, do, la, you get the G's, right? That's our scale, right? Now let's start the breakdown. Let's start with the song. So as I said, we're in the key of F sharp. The song starts from 4. Si, fa, ba, no, ki, bohang. We, na, mo, lo, ki, wa, ka. Let's go again, that first part. Si, fa, ba, no, ki, bohang. We, na, mo, lo, ki, wa, ka. Let's go to the second part. Ma, dia, tswang, ma, nyebe. Walk up. Sorry about that. Litla, kuri, kauna, kiri, tlaswe, kibemu, tlekiluki. Let's do that again and break down the song. Maria Tswang. Maria Tswang, limetsi, tlakuri, kaunaki. Okay, let's break down that, right? Let's do the first part first. The songs are from Sefapanong Ke Bohang, and we're gonna start from 4, right? C, right? This is your 4. The root note, playing the root note of 4, right? And this, in letters, this is your B, but we'll use numbers, strictly numbers on this tutorial, because for beginners. Okay, so here's the complete breakdown of the song, starting from 4. Right, C, fa, ba, and as the root, I'm playing the root note of 4. So, C, right, fa, ba. Then, while I'm still on 4, on my left hand, I'm going to 2, right, and then 1. Then, I'm going to the second inversion of 1. When I'm then 5, 4, 6, 5, then 1. Again, C, fa, ba, second inversion of 1, way, then back to 4, then 6, 5, then first inversion of 1, right? That's the first part. And you'll notice here, I'm playing the second inversion of 5, right? Or I can just play the rhythm. Then let's go to the second part. Ma, from the second inversion of 1, ma, 1, right? Maria, 5, then 1 again. Then I'm playing now. You'll notice here, I'm playing, on my left I'm playing 2, but on my right hand I'm playing 4, right? And instead of playing straight here, I'm playing like this. Ma, dia, 5, then 2, then 5 again. Again, repeat the same thing again. Li, Messi, 5, 1, 2, 1, then 5, 1, 2, 5 again, right? 1, 5, 1, 2, 5, then back to 4. Ka, ona kere, tlatswe. Then there is this walk up. Right? So usually when they play the song, I forgot whose version is this, but usually they'll be the walk up. It's basically walk up from 1 to 4, then 6. Let's play again slowly. So instead of like on my right hand usually, right, I don't play like your 2, I don't play your 3, right? But while on my left hand I'm still maintaining that I just go between 1 and 4, like I just play like this. Then 6. Then goes back to the first part. So if you don't want to do this walk up here, you can do the walk down, which I'm doing. It includes diminished chords, right? This should be your E sharp diminished 7, A diminished. This is me working down, right? First inversion of 1. I'm playing this diminished 7 chord. So in numbers, my left hand I'm on 7, my right hand 4 sharp 6, 2, then sharp 6 on my left hand, and then 5 sharp 6, 3, right? And then I'm getting this first inversion of 4 on my right hand, and on my left hand I'm going to 6. Let's do that again. Walk down, right? Instead of saying, you can do let's do it for the last time. Li, Metsi, Li, Shakuri. And this was the breakdown for Sefapanong Ke Bohang for beginners, complete beginners, right? And I hope this helped you. Basically, the progression, it includes 2 parts. The first progression is focused on Sefapanong Ke Bohang, and then the second part is the one that covers Maria. So the first part is started from 4. Sefapan, the second part is started on 1. And I hope this helped you.